Am I audible, guys? Am I audible, guys? My voice is loud and clear. Ye- I plan only one trade in one day, in 24 hours, sometimes two trades only. This is my first planned trade. I have sale order here. This is planned, not a random entry. And why I have planned? There is a logic behind this trade. I will explain you later. I don't know whether it will work or not, but I have planned this entry. Then I will wait for my target or my SL. Nothing in between. Market has shown a volatility from here to here, from 514 to 545. Half an hour it shows the volatility. Actually, I my entry was at this point that was not hit by the market. Now again I have modified my order at this level. Let's see what will happen in this trade. We will wait to trigger our entry. I am not a scalper. I properly planned my entry and exit, also the SL, and I accept what market gives. Just wait and watch whether my target of entry or where I have placed the sale order will hit or not. Let's see. And I have 200 points of SL, which will be around 67 165 is entry and 66 365 will be SL at this point. This this is my SL and this is my entry. Let's see what will happen in this trade. I don't know whether it will hit, whether the target trigger will be hit by the market to give the entry. I don't know, but I have planned. I planned how I will enter and how I will exit. I have decided both the levels. Both levels means SL level and exit level. And it depends on the market that what it will give to me, whether it is the SL or it will be the target. I don't know about these two things, but I have decided the levels only. Rest of all is rest of all will be decided by the market, by the movement of the market, by the candles. Actually, I have in my hand only the plan, and what I am showing you, this is my plan. And also, do you want to know about my target? Yes. Then I show you my target. Let's switch to 1 day chart, reset the chart. Now remove this trend line. Its work have been done, and the breakdown of this level. It means at this level, my target is at this level. I will hold the trade till this level. Now switch again to 15 minutes of chart. Let's see whether the market will give us an entry on our desired level. Market is looking bullish at this point. Till now, our entry point is this. If this entry point is not hit by the market and goes towards our target, then we will wait for the next trigger. That how the market will give us entry, it is most important for the big 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 targets, and a very short SL, very small SL. Every trader must have all the things, yeah, or all the plans in their mind, that how you will enter and how you will exit, whether it is going in loss or whether it is going in profit. You have to decide your level. You must not be enter or exit in random order. You are not entropy. You are a trader. Keep patience. Patience is the key in the market. If you have patience, then market will reward you. And if you don't have patience, then market will kill you. I am sitting and waiting for my entry. I don't know whether it will give me entry or not. I am not sure about that, but I have planned. I will trade my plan only. And my plan works very, very, very fabulous. I have tested my plan for past 2 years and I didn't see any wrong thing in my setup. That's why I just wait for my entry. If it will give me entry, then I am happy. If it will not give my entry, I will happy. I am happy in both the results. I don't know what will do market, but I am sure I will do what I have planned. So make sure when you trade, make sure yourself that you always trade your plan. Actually, this point was my entry point 67,000, but I missed this candle because I was in sleepy mood or did not wake up at time because yesterday I traveled so much. Let's see what will happen. Just wait and watch. This is the resistance area and this is the liquidity sweep. That's why I planned here 67,000 and I don't know it will hit or not again, but I have my uh, planned my entry. That's why I am waiting for this level. You will wait and watch. Your decision must not be changed on every candle that look. This is the hammer candle. If you think this is the hammer candle, entry here and plan 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2 it means 202 points of SL, 400 points of profit. This is the 1 is to 2. But I never plan for 1 is to 2. This is the scalping trade. I never do this. I wait for big targets. And you should keep in mind that never ever make a decision in running candle. Never ever make a decision in running candle. Like this, before some time, this candle was extremely bullish at this point, and this candle was showing that there is very weakness in market. And if you have decided this in running candle and you entered here, then definitely at this point of time you will be very humble and double mood. That's why wait for the closing only. Only after closing you must decide your things, whether it is entry or exit or continuation. Your decision must be after the closing of the candle, not in running candle. If there is a disturbance in background, then ignore and focus on the trade, focus on the content. If you guys want the logic behind my plan, then you can ask me in comments. I will explain this in later videos. Actually, this is the live trading, not a video. This is live real trading. I want to show you that how you should plan the trade and how you must execute. I only plan one trade, sometimes two trades only. Market is going towards our trigger point. Let's see what will happen. We don't know what will happen. We will wait. Uh, You guys must have the patience. Patience is the key only. And patience can save you from revenge trading. And how you have to practice the patience. If you want to know about this, then you can ask me. I will give or I will show you the way or the correct way that how you should plan your trades and how you must have the patience. Patience is the key of a profitable trader. We are waiting for our entry. After the entry, we will wait for our targets of our decided targets. And I have shown you before that this is my SL and target is at my 60,000 level. It means 7,000 points of target. Let's see what will market. We are waiting and we should keep waiting, waiting and waiting only. Never ever make a decision in running them. Always you should wait for the closing. Always. Also, one point I want to tell you, and that point is that if you have, if you make any strategy, any type of strategy, and when you backtest that strategy, and when you backtest, it gives you the result, or I must say that it gives the profit in backtesting. And when you apply that strategy in live market, then it breaks your heart. Am I right or wrong? Yeah, I am right. And you know the reason behind this. You don't know, my brother and sisters. You don't know. Why? One big problem in your live trading when you apply your strategy in live market, and that problem is, listen me carefully. I want to tell you this very clearly. Then when you backtest your strategy, every candle is a finished candle, not a running candle. And you backtested your strategy in finished candles. It means you are not making a decision in running candle like this candle. This is the running candle. This candle is not closed yet. So If you have tested that I will entry in the shooting star, then this candle is currently is a shooting star candle. You enter here and immediately your SL hit by the market at here. Why? Because you have planned your entry in running candle and while you have tested your strategy in finished candles. This is the mistake you are making every time when you backtest your strategy and when you trade your strategy in live market. This is the problem. If if you resolve this issue, then you will be in profits as as your strategy has shown in the previous backtesting. Similarly, when your strategy gives the profit in backtesting, then this strategy will also give you profit in live market. When you follow the same rules of backtesting in your live trading. Now I think you have a clear mindset of backtesting and live trading. So never ever make a decision in running candle and never ever have the fear of any type in live market. If you train your mind that I will decide after the closing of the candle, then you will be a very effective trader and you will never disappoint in live market. This will motivate you same same as in backtesting, same as the backtesting in which you got the profit. And if you follow the same rules of backtesting in live trading, then you will be very profitable trader. That's why I am waiting for my entry trigger point, and after that I will manage my trade. And I don't know whether it will hit my target or my SL. I don't know about this. On, only I have in my hand that I will wait. This is in my hand. I will wait till my SL is hit or my target is hit. In the journey of these 7,000 points of profit, I will trail my SL from here to there and there and there as the market will only. Also, I want to tell you one thing that I will not trail my SL randomly. I will trail according to the chart. Chart will tell me that at which point I must have my SL trail. Chart will tell me. Only chart will tell me. I will not randomly trail my SL. Now you got my point of view, I think. If you have any type of confusion or any type of question, you can ask me in comments. I will reply you in live video. If you have any problem in your life as well, in your trading life or in your personal life, you can discuss me. I will show you definitely a good path of life. Patience is the key, my friends. Patience is the key. Now the market is showing some weakness at this level. Why I am saying that it is a weakness? Because it has the every candle has the long wick on upper side or long upper side wick. Sometimes candle confuse you. This type of candle because this is the gap up candle. The closing point is at this point and opening point is at this point. Then if this candle is also going to close at this point, then both candles will be red because of the gap of opening of this candle. The opening point of this candle and this candle is same or slightly different only. Actually, this candle have the upper closing from this. You must have close view of every candle, but you should not make a decision on each and every candle. You and me and no one in the market knows that how this candle is going to finish. It can be a bearish candle like here, it can be a bullish candle at this point, it can be a doji at this point as the same level. No one know about the closing of this candle. Only one trader knows. And who is this? This trader is the trader who have patience and who do not make a decision on each and every candle. Only he knows, not everyone. The market can go beyond this point and this point and this point, but we don't know. There is always a risk behind every trade, and you must have keep that fear of loss. This is my first live trading, and if you have any type of problem you are facing in my live streaming, then you can tell me. I will rectify this problem as soon as possible. I am here for you only, and I want to teach you that how you must have the patience in trading. Let's see what will happen in this trade or in this plan of our trade. The SL ladder is not present at the chart because it will be placed on the chart after the entry trigger will hit, and the SL will be immediately placed by itself. I have a open order of SL, but that open order will be triggered after this order. First, this order will be executed, and then at this point, my SL will be triggered. I plan only one trade every day, sometimes two trades, and you guys also must have plan for trading. You should not enter and exit in random trades on random candles. If you are a random people, if you are a random trader, then you will certainly make loss in the market. This is very, very certain. We are waiting, guys. Nothing we can do in between our levels. We have to wait only. Let's see what will happen in the market. It will give the entry or not. But till now, our plan is fixed that we will enter at our decided level and we will exit at our decided level and we will hold the target for a long, long trade for a very big profit. It is of 7,000 points, and I am sure that if goes below 65,000, then I can hold the trade confidently. If you have any type of problem and any type of situation in your life, then you can tell me, you can discuss me. I will give you a better solution. I handle not only trading but also the personal problems. This candle is finished like a continuation candle. After the bliss candle, and bliss candle is this strong candle. If it is followed by some continuation pattern, then we must hold whether in profit. And one thing also I want to tell you that this type of pattern is made by market after my entry at here is at this point. Then I will cut my trade as soon as it will cross this level. I will not wait for this level. I will limit if this pattern is made by the market at this point, I will cut it here above this point because this is a continuation pattern and this works very well. I can show you in the history after this trade, and you can also the back test this pattern. 90% it works, 70 to 90%. And also one thing that every setup works in the market. No setup has the failure rate of 100% and no setup has the win rate of 100%. Every setup works in between of 30% to 80%. Every setup. You have to focus on the risk reward ratio always. If you are taking a good risk reward ratio, good, I mean to say that it must be 1 is to 2 minimum. If you are working on 1 is to 1, then your win rate could be of 70 to 80%, 90% sometimes. And if you are working for 1 is to 2, risk reward ratio of 1 is to 2, then the win rate will be slightly decrease from the 1 is to 1 setup. If 1 is to 1 setup has the success rate of 80 to 90%, then 1 is to 2 will be of 70 to 80%. And similarly, if you increase your win rate, then risk reward ratio will be down. And if you increase the risk reward ratio, then your win rate will be down. Now decide yourself. If you want to 1 is to 1 trade, then your if you want to achieve the 1 is to 1 level, or if you are trading for 1 is to 1, then there will be more headache. You have to trade each and every setup, each and every entry. But if you are trading for 1 is to 2, then you will you will be trading in very peaceful manner. Similarly, if you are trading for 1 is to 10, risk reward ratio of 1 is to 10, then you will be trade less, and your headache will be very, very less. But your entry must be perfect. The success rate depends on the entry, not on the exit. Exit is not in your hand. Exit gives them exit gives by the market. Your focus must be on every candle, the finishing of every candle. Every candle, the finishing of every candle. I would like to tell you one thing also, that trading is a very, very, very boring game. It is very boring. And please don't make it very excited by taking entry and exit at each candle, at every time. Don't make it excited. If you are trading in boredom, then you are a successful trader. Never ever make same mistakes again and again. Always rectify or resolve your problems of trading. Every time you make a mistake, then you must not be repeat the same problem again and again. And now my entry trigger is going to hit, and let's see what will happen. It will hit or not, and if hits, then what will happen in next? We will see it. We have entered. Our entry point have been triggered. Now we will wait for our exit, and let's see what will happen. And my SL is also hit by the market. This is finished from my side. Today, today my setup did not work, and the SL is hit by the market. Now I have no regret. Now my SL is hit, and what I learned here, something is very important that if your entry is hit by the market and also in same way SL is hit by the market, then there is no worry about that, and you should have the patience for the next setup for tomorrow, not today. If market gives the second entry to me and today and whole day, then I will plan that entry. Simply the plan has not worked today. It is failed today and I accepted it. My view was the bearish for today, and if I am not correct for today, then there is no worry to me. I accept it and will plan for next day in evening. I will plan and I will execute my plan and I will trade my plan only. Whatever markets do, I will not wait and watch for this type of market. I will plan again if the market gives to me the second entry. If there is a probability to give the second trade, then I will plan accordingly. So I will update you about my second entry whenever market gives to me. Then I will update you. Till then, you have keep patience and also the happy trading to you. Till then, bye bye and take care, and also keep yourself motivated for trading. Till then, wish you very happy trading for next session. Bye bye, take care.